Not MT performing while he was sleeping. Hi, Gicho family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But this is not the first time we are actually seeing this or hearing about MC performing while he was allegedly high or drunk, and how his fans were so disappointed at his performance. He has done it again, after a while of his fans thinking that he has been sober, but it looks like he hasn't. It looks like MC, he is not sober as we all thought he was. I guess he was invited and he honored the invite. He was performing one of his famous song that most of his fans love. But Shem Mugai disappointed the crowd. He was falling asleep while singing. I mean, you can tell and you can see from this video that this guy was not well. And this is shocking and disappointing at the same time. I feel for the people who bought tickets simply because they wanted to see MT perform, and only for him to climb on stage and perform while he was in that state. You can see he's even tripping. He can't stand. He can't maintain a posture. This is so sad. And there's a girl who's there trying to hype him up, but it looks like isn't as slangani. At this point, it is only MT and his crew that are actually or that are aware of what is happening, because Tina Asazi. And let us look at what people had to say. MT does not respect his craft, a person stated. He's the reason behind his downfall, unfortunately. Give that lady her flowers, Shem. She tried. This is indeed shocking. Who would have thought MT will end up like this? Hi, Shem. This is shocking. That's it for today, Basabumkosi. Please do leave your comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.